Na tumesema hata kama ni kawaida saa nyingine kwa hospitali mtu anaweza poteza maisha yake, children they die sometimes. Lakini tuko concerned hiyo idadi ni kubwa sana. Those numbers are too high. Tunataka kuangalia budget ya Nairobi County ni pesa ngapi imewekwa kwa afya. Na kama ni pesa ambayo inatosha. If you go back there where we are from, where the waste is supposed to be disposed, the last time the incinerator was working was more than 3 months ago. And we've even been told that there are times the person who has been cleaning and dealing with the garbage has found dead babies inside garbage, surely. So there's a problem. That's why we're taking it very, very seriously as a Senate. So, yeah.
Every department we have visited here, there's a problem of staff. There's a shortage of staff. We don't have enough staff here. Yet already some are already being sent home and all. So we want to see the governors getting proactive. And it's a high time that my committee will start actually calling these governors and asking them a few questions. Because there's a lot of things that we are seeing going wrong. The incinerator, the child mortality. We cannot be losing 5% of the children, mothers who come and give birth to children here. We need to reduce the infant mortality.